Hey, everyone. I hope you are well. In this video, we'll show you how to easily clear all cache and junk from your Windows 11 and Windows 10 computer. Are you experiencing slow performance or running out of storage space on your Windows 11 computer? It might be time to clear out all the accumulated cache and junk files. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of cleaning up your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system and freeing up valuable space. Step 1. To open the Run command, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Step 2. Type in temp and press OK in the Run command window. This will open the temp folder in File Explorer. Step 3. Select all files by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard in the temp folder. Then, right-click and select Delete. Step 4. To open the Run command again, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Step 5. Type in prefetch and press OK in the Run command window. This will open the prefetch folder in File Explorer. Step 6. Select all files by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard in the prefetch folder. Then, right-click and select Delete. Step 7. Open the Run command again. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Step 8. Type in clean and press OK in the Run command window. This will open the Disk Cleanup utility. Step 9. Select the types of files you want to delete in the Disk Cleanup utility. This may include temporary files, system files, and other types of cache and junk files. Click OK to confirm your selection and click Delete Files. By following these steps, you can use the Windows plus Run command to clear out all the cache and junk files from your Windows 11 computer quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tech tips.